Alright, here we are again, another night. Playing Hearthstone, broke. Gonna be drunk tonight. For anybody out there watching, things are about to get stupid up in here. You two are out there, thank you for watching. Alright, so let's see what I'm doing. Currently I have Hunter or Mage dominance and total dominance. I need 2 more wins with a Hunter or Mage and 5 more wins, period. So we're going to do this the cheap way. We're going to go do these, and then we're going to go do the rest of them on just simple stuff and get some money. I am really close to unlocking the first win of Maximus now. So, alright, here we go. And of course, if you're watching, don't be shy. Hit me up in chat. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. If you're a troll, I'll be more than happy to make you mad. I love doing that. Tonight, I'm using my Copper Nemesis. I patinaed it, and thank you very much to a guy named Alejandro in the Facebook group Patina Mods. He sent me a vinyl decal of my favorite game in the world, Final Fantasy VII. So, we got a brand new patina going on tonight. Okay. Well, that's not a bad hand. Let's go for it. Hello, Tasty Whiskey. Oh yeah, that Murloc's dead. Next turn, I'm willing to bet you. Or, you know, could just kill him and attack you again. That's cool by me. Yep, there you go. And what's your next? What's you gonna do? 1 mana. Alright, my turn. Just pop you for 3 more. Alright. Turn 3, we got a 7-point advantage. Mages don't have weapons, so I'm just going to play him. No reason in saving him. Let's see what happens. What you got? Alright. Yeah, you're going to kill off on my fairy dragon. No? Alright. Yeah. Alright. Get him ready to die. Still doing good on life advantage. Geomancer. Nope, it just doesn't know. Okay. I'm kinda gonna have to here. Oh, Violet teacher. That's fantastic. That saddens me. It really does. Because I could polymorph. Yeah, I think I'm going to. I'm going to polymorph the teacher. And review and put out some taunters. Alright, there we go. I no longer have a life advantage. Tonight we're listening to Monster Cat on Spotify. It's so cold. Alright, time to get rid of you guys. Ooh, that hurts. Well, there you go. First game's a loss tonight. That does not bode well. Well, if nothing else, at least I'm getting drunk. Alright, let's pull out a Hunter. There will be much belching tonight. Cheater McCheaterson. I want to play Cheater McCheaterson. That sounds like a fun guy to play. Oh, and my green screen is just completely messing up. That is just fantastic. Alright, hold on a second. Let me see if I can't fix that. I have no idea what's going on here. Okay, let's see if that fixed it. Alright. I don't know why it keeps doing that. So y'all have to forgive me. I'm still learning how to use the green screen. Alright. I don't like that hand. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's see what we can get. That's doable. Darty draws. Man, I would not be wanting to play with people with that name. That's an awful name. That is just an awful name. Dirty Draws. Well, greetings, Dirty Draws. That is a horrible name. Hopefully I can beat a guy named Dirty Draws. Because, man, if I lose to a guy named Dirty Draws, that's pathetic. And, of course, he's got a golden hero. Yay. I don't know how I feel about that. Whew. Dirty Draws. Maybe he's taking a while because he has to change his Dirty Draws. Gotta love that Space Jam. Tastes so good. Oh no. That is a good question. I think I am. Go ahead and smack you for 2. I can't get over that name, Dirty Draws. It's just awful. Creative, I guess. Alright. And he played the exact same thing as last time. Alright, we're gonna do that. We're gonna get rid of him. We're gonna get rid of you. I have no idea how this guy's playing. Well played. Oh, butt hurt. Flame cannon. That hurts. Have some more damage. Excuse me.
Do you like the song? What the f was that?
Yeah, what was that? Oh, come on. Oh, it's so hurtful. Oh. And hopefully we don't end up playing Flame Strike next turn, because that is gonna hurt. Flame Strike. Well played, sir. Alright. That's unfortunately the best I can do for now. What's your next step? Even on live. And, oh my god. I'm getting my butt stomped by a mana worm. No, sir. That's right. Take that mana worm and shove it. Oh, snow sugar. Okay. Huffer, yeah. Play with a freezing trap. Alright. No! Take that snow chugger back to your hand, sir. Take it back. I don't want none of that. Oh, God. Oh, Ragnaros the Fire Lord. That's fantastic. Yeah, oh, 8 damage, butt hurt. Alright, well, let's see what we can do. Oh, that hurts. That hurts so bad. Ah, good music. It's getting climactic up in here. Oh my god.